Most of you guys have asked me how to go from this to this, and it's very simple. First thing you want to do is just hit this button here, and if for some reason you hit this button and it does not work, or maybe you don't have this button appearing here, go to DaVinci Resolve, go to preferences, and then go to user. Then you make sure you check this use optimized UI layout for vertical video. If I uncheck that, you will see that I don't have the button again. So just go to DaVinci Resolve, preferences, check that, and it's going to appear like this. And if for some reason when you click this button here, you can't see your inspector here like this. For instance, if I click here, you see that my inspector here, I can maybe shift it left and right. But if you can't see your inspector here, make sure you go to Windows, go to settings, and in the settings go to display, open up display, and make sure you reduce your scale to about 100%. If I put it at what they say 125%, you'll see that it does not work again. You see, it does not work here again. So that's the solution. Make sure you go to Windows, go to settings, and reduce this to 100%, and that's it. Most of you guys have been asking me this in the comment section, so it is as simple as I've just shown you. Just click here, and if you have any of these issues, these are the two solutions that I've shown you. Now make sure you subscribe to the channel. Sound design for this video is coming soon. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.